In today's tutorial, we are going to build a virtual customer support executive on WhatsApp using Pabbly Chatflow. This is an AI-powered customer support assistant that can instantly reply to your customers 24/7 without any human intervention. The main goal of this AI assistant is to provide instant customer support by answering common customer questions. And for this tutorial, I am creating this AI assistant for a software and technology services businesses. Of course, this is just an example. You can easily customize the same AI assistant for your own business, whether it's SaaS, e-commerce, healthcare, or any other industry. And the best part of this tutorial is that I'm going to show you how you can train the AI assistant using your own business knowledge base. This means the AI will answer questions based on your business information instead of giving random responses. But before we start building this AI assistant, let me first show you the real-time working of this AI assistant. So right now I am on my WhatsApp and my number is already connected to this AI assistant through Pabbly Chatflow. Let's say I'll send a first message. I forgot my password. How can I reset it? As you can see, within a few seconds the AI assistant understands my question and immediately provides me a solution. Now let's try another question. My payment was successful but my subscription is not active. Again, the AI instantly understands the issue and asks me to share my order ID or the registered email address. Let's try one more question. How do I download my latest invoice? Next, I send a message, give me proper steps. And see, the AI assistant gives me the exact steps to download the invoice from the customer's dashboard. Now let's test a troubleshooting question. I'll type the software is loading very slowly. What should I do? And you can see the AI assistant will reply to me like this. Now let's try a sales related question. I'll send I want to upgrade from the basic plan to business plan. And again, I have received the message from the AI assistant. Once I send the next message, what's the process? Then it replies to me like this by explaining the upgrade process and guiding me to the correct option. And this is not limited to only these questions. The AI assistant can answer hundreds of customer queries based on the knowledge base that you provide. So instead of support team replying to the same questions again and again, the AI assistant handles those conversations automatically and works 24/7 for your business. This saves a lot of time, reduce manual support works, improve response time, and gives your customers instant assistance whenever they need it. Then the tool behind of this is called Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation platform that's help you to automate WhatsApp conversations using chatbots and AI assistants. You can create no-code chatbot flows, train AI assistant using your own business knowledge base, automate customer support, collect customer information, and provide instant responses all from a single platform. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into Pabbly Chatflow and start building this AI-powered virtual customer support executive step by step. Alright, if you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and create your account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. But before doing the sign up process, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to automate your business on WhatsApp and create an AI assistant for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an amazing discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Chatflow, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Here the first and the most important step is to add your WhatsApp number inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. On the left hand side, you will see multiple powerful features of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to go in this AI assistant feature. And this AI assistant page is going to be appear in front of you. Here you can train your AI assistant with the knowledge base to answer common questions. For creating a new assistant, you have to click on this plus add AI assistant button. After that, give your assistant a descriptive name. I'll enter as build a virtual customer support executive on WhatsApp. Pabbly Chatflow. After that, I will click on this button and see our AI assistant is created successfully. Now, this right here is the starting point of creating your WhatsApp AI assistant, where at first you have to select the instructions type. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of instructions. I am selecting the AI agent. You can select anyone according to your choice. As soon as you can select the instructions type here, it will automatically generate the instructions in this field. Instructions defines how the AI should behave and how AI assistant will give replies to your users. In simple terms, these are the rules that the assistant needs to follow while giving the responses. You can also customize these rules if you want to. After the temperature controls the creativity level of AI assistant, as lower temperature gives stable and accurate values, while high temperature gives creative and flexible responses. You can increase and decrease the temperature from here. Here I set the temperature to 0.5. Next, you need to select the model provider, that I am selecting as OpenAI. After that, select the AI model variant from it. I am selecting the GPT-4o mini. You can find out multiple types of model variants selected according to your choice. Next, in this field, you need to enter the API key. So for getting this API key, you just have to go towards your OpenAI API keys page and click on this plus create new secret key button. After that, the name is an optional. You can provide it if you want to. Select the project from here, provide the permission, and click on this create secret key button. And this is how easily you can get your API key. So copy this key from here and paste it in this field. I want you to know that for generating this API key, your OpenAI account is need to be paid. After pasting the API key, you just have to click on this connect button and see it says that OpenAI key saved successfully. Moving forward are the assistant settings with multiple options, where the first one is header message. If you want to add any header message, then you can enter it in this field. After that, if you want to add any footer message, then you can enable this toggle and enter the message in this field. Moving forward to the stop keywords. Stop keywords are those words that stop the AI assistant. For example, here I have entered the stop keyword as stop, and the customer will send exact that word while communicating with your AI assistant. Then your AI assistant will become stop, and on that point, human inputs is required to restart the conversation. I am not adding any stop keywords too. After that, the retry attempts is defined as how many times your AI assistant will retry to give replies to your user. You can increase it till 10. And the last one is fallback message. The fallback message is the message that's sent to the user if your assistant fails to reply due to some technical error such as API key problem or in connection issue. Then this fallback message is going to be sent to your customers for the better conversation. I have entered this fallback message, but you can change it completely based on your business, company, or organization. Now I'm moving forward to the most important and the crucial part of doing the setup of your AI assistant, that is knowledge source. Here you have to upload the knowledge base file. Now what is knowledge base? So knowledge base is the information bank for your AI assistant. With knowledge base, AI assistant gives business specific and accurate replies, but without knowledge base, AI assistant gives general responses. For this tutorial, I have already created one knowledge base file before. See, this is the knowledge base file for customer support executive AI assistant. Here I added all the information related to my business. The goal of this AI assistant to provide customer support by answering common questions, tracking tickets, resolving basic issues, and much more. It is specially used for software and technology services. I have created this knowledge base file by my choice. You can customize it completely based on your own business. Make sure that it contains all the information related to your business because it plays an important role. It works like a brain for your AI assistant. With the help of this only, your AI assistant will provide accurate and business specific responses to your customers. For creating a knowledge base file, you can use Google Docs or any other platform by the help of which you can create a text or the PDF format file, because only accepted formats are text and PDF. There is no page limit for text PDF, but if the PDF has images, then it is limited to 10 pages. And the file size should be less than 90 MB. For uploading a knowledge base file, you have to click on this option and click on this add new file. After that, upload the file from your gallery. Here I have uploaded. Next I'm selecting the same file from here. After that I'm clicking on this insert button. So this is how easily you can upload a knowledge base file. Moving forward to the assistant interface, here you can give design to your AI assistant by making changes in each of these fields. At first, I am entering the heading as customer support AI assistant. See, as soon as I can make any changes on this field, it will automatically change here too. So basically, this is the final look of the AI assistant that is going to be visible in front of your customers. After that, I am replacing the subheading as well and the initial message also. Here I added these content completely based on my choice. You can customize it. After that, the label that is powered by Pabbly, you can disable it from here if you want to. I have entered the footer text as privacy policy, also added one footer link and the user first message as well. Now moving forward to the styling, here you can give style to your AI assistant by making changes in its themes, colors and shape. As it is looking good, so I'm not changing it, but you can customize it from here if you want to. After that, enable this toggle so that your AI assistant will become active and click on the save AI assistant button. That's it. You have successfully learned how to create a virtual customer support AI assistant on WhatsApp without writing a single line of code. And not only here, you can access your assistant inside your websites as well. Yes, you heard right. So to do this, you just have to click on this embed button. It will provide you the code of the assistant. You just have to copy this code from here and paste it inside your websites. And this assistant is going to be accessible inside your websites as well. This is the magic of Pabbly Chatflow. After doing this setup, you just have to click on the settings option and go in this inbox settings. Now I am going to set the AI assistant to all of my contacts. See, this is the inbox settings of Pabbly Chatflow where you have to scroll down and you will see one option by the name of AI auto reply settings. You have to make sure that to enable this toggle. After that, select the contact list from here as well as the AI assistant from this drop down. Here I have selected. Next, click on this save button. See, it says that inbox settings saved successfully. So this is how easily you can assign your AI assistant to all of your contacts. So now I think you might be wondering how you can add your own contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. So for that, you have to go in this contacts feature and click on this button. We have already created a separate detailed video of how you can add bulk contacts inside Pabbly Chatflow. Check the description below for the video link. Now the setup and the creation of our AI assistant is fully completed. So this is the easiest way to build a virtual customer support executive on WhatsApp. This AI assistant will work for your business 24/7 even when you are unavailable. Solve your customer queries and provide them instant support 24/7. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this AI assistant, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. And if you want me to create a separate AI assistant for your own business, then comment your business name below. I will create a tutorial for that too. If you found this tutorial helpful, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.